This looks good on paper, but real use is a different story. Let's put the Nikon Z30 to the test and see if it delivers on all the promises, especially for the price. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that this product might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're a high-end professional photographer or videographer who needs the absolute latest and greatest technology, you may want to look elsewhere. Also, if you have deep pockets and are looking for a camera that's just an investment piece, this might not be the right choice for you. We'll go over that more as we get into the review. First thing to know is that the Nikon Z30 comes with a Nikon 16 to 50mm lens, and it's what makes this deal so affordable. That's why I always recommend checking the link is in the description so you can see for yourself the latest deals and bundle options available. With that in mind, let's talk about real-world performance. The 20.9 MP CMOS sensor and XP6 image processing do deliver beautiful image quality. The autofocus system is pretty solid too. It does worry-free autofocusing, which means it automatically repositions when you hold something up to frame your shot. One of the standout features of the Nikon Z30 is eye detection autofocus. It works amazingly well on people and even animals like dogs and cats. No more blurry faces in your photos or awkwardly positioning your camera for a shot of your furry friend. And if you're more into vlogging or selfie content, the vari-angle screen gives you total creative control. You can tap the screen to change focus positions, adjust the background blur, and even shoot from low or high angles, all without having to switch to a different screen or menu. Now, let's talk about the video capabilities of the Nikon Z30. This camera is designed to be a creator's kit, and it delivers. With the included Nikon 16 to 50mm lens, you can shoot over 2 hours of continuous video without worrying about overheating or battery life. And with the red rec lamp on the front, it's easy to know when you're recording video, so you don't accidentally leave it off. If you're an aspiring content creator looking for a reliable camera that won't break the bank, the Nikon Z30 is definitely worth considering. The image quality is impressive, and the autofocus system performs well, even in challenging lighting conditions. Also, the vari-angle screen makes it easy to frame your shots and adjust the composition on the fly. One thing to keep in mind, though, is that the Nikon Z30 is a compact and lightweight camera, which means it's designed more for vloggers and content creators on the go than for heavy-duty, long-form shooting. While it does deliver excellent image quality and autofocus, it may not be the best fit for those who need absolute precision and speed in their camera. So who should buy the Nikon Z30? Well, anyone who's just starting out as a content creator and wants a reliable, easy-to-use camera that delivers great image quality will love this one. Also, if you're looking for a second camera to throw into your bag for quick vlogging or social media content creation, the Nikon Z30 is a great option. Just remember to keep your expectations in check based on the price point. One real limitation of the Nikon Z30 is that it's not designed for extreme low-light shooting. While it does a decent job in lower light conditions, it's not going to match the performance of more expensive, high-end cameras. If you're planning on shooting in very low light, you may want to look elsewhere. Overall, the Nikon Z30 is an excellent choice for creators on a budget who want a reliable camera that delivers great image quality. Just keep in mind a few limitations, and you'll be creating amazing content in no time. Check the description link for today's price on Amazon.